Honoring our hearts, embracing our sexuality. What does that mean? What is this work all about? What is this workshop all about? Those are the questions I wanted to address in this short video, or as much as I can address in this short video. So I'm really excited about this workshop, which is happening on the 28th and the 29th of September 2019 in Brighton. And I'm excited because I am bringing together many different elements from many different workshops and kind of smouldering them into one to bring you this really expansive, heartful, juicy weekend. So the basis of my work, and therefore one of the basis of this workshop, is living from the heart, honouring the heart, and reclaiming and embracing our sexuality. And in my experience, you can't have one without the other. So you can't really honour your heart and your being if you are disowning and dishonouring your sexuality, and vice versa. You cannot really embrace and embody your sexuality if you're disrespecting and dishonouring your heart. So what we need to do is find a way to marry those two, to marry your heart and to marry your sex, your sexuality, your life force energy. And if you've already married it, then just ways to enhance that even further. And this was a big part of my journey. I completely disowned my sex and my heart. I suffered a lot of heartbreak and trauma over my lifetime. And as a result, I became very numb and very disconnected. And nothing going on down here, up here, lots going on up here. So a big part of my journey was to quieten this down and to drop into my heart, and to drop into my sex and to reclaim it. And I'm bringing my experience and my passion and my love into this work to enable and to support and to guide you to become fully embodied in your power and in touch with your real, raw sexuality and the innocence of that. And to stay connected to heart and with the truth of your being and the love we all have within us at the same time and always. So we'll be looking at ways to shine a light on our shadow and to transform fears, knock down towers of shame and guilt that have been holding us back and been lying within our system and within our relationships and within our day-to-day interactions and the way that we treat others and the way that we treat ourselves. We will be looking at all of that and how to not disown those parts of us, but to, as I say, shine a light and step into our light and into our radiance and into our sexy and sensual selves, and into physical and emotional intimacy and connection with ourselves first, and then with each other. So we are creating this playground to explore and to experience and to discover who we really are and how we can be really real, raw, sexual human beings, but bringing it right back to the innocence that it was when we were born, without all the conditioning and all the guilt and all the lies and all the trauma that we experience. And we all experience trauma at some level in our lives. So bringing it back to our core essence and the innocence of who we are as human beings, who we were as children, So yeah, I'm excited. And I really invite you to feel into me. And, if we worked together before, then I'd love to welcome you back. If you've never worked with me, then to feel into me and how would it be to work with me and what I bring to you, to the world, to myself. And if this workshop calls to you, then you are so, so welcome, and I would love to see you there. As always, if you have any questions, then I really invite you to get in touch, and I will do my best to answer them. Yeah, so for now, that's all. I really look forward to exploring and supporting you on this journey.